Hey everyone, this is my 23 Ford Lightning, and I'm going to walk you through one possible solution if the FordPass app has stopped connecting to the truck. So this happened to me about a week ago when Ford pushed through the 4.1.1 over-air update. After that, the phone completely stopped connecting to the truck. So the remote lock and unlock, remote start, the charging status, none of that stuff works anymore. It's been a week. And nothing's changed. So there's one fix I'm going to walk you through here in a minute that hopefully fixes the problem. All right, so if you open the front of the truck, you can see right in the middle there's this little access panel here, and this just lifts up to come off. It's kind of flimsy, and there's the little 12-volt battery. And what we're going to do is disconnect the negative cord from the battery terminal, which is the black one on the left-hand side here. So let me set this up. So I've got a 10 millimeter socket, and you just go ahead and carefully loosen this bolt here, lefty loosey, just enough so we can get this terminal off here. You gotta kind of wiggle it, but it's coming up. Okay, so there we go, and we'll wait just like a minute here and then put it back together and then go start the truck and see what happens. All right, so I went ahead and put that back on. As soon as you put that back on, you can hear the truck kind of make a couple little clicking sounds. So we'll go ahead and put the little cover back on. This is kind of flimsy. Not the best design in my opinion, but it kind of clips and slides down. You can see it's not the best quality, but you shouldn't be having to open this that often, I suppose. All right, great news. So it looked like that absolutely fixed the problem. So I put the negative terminal back on the battery, hopped in the truck, started it up, gave it a minute to kind of get connected, opened the FordPass app, swiped down to do the refresh, and it synced with the truck. It took a minute, but my truck's showing 74% battery. That's exactly what the app's showing, and it looks like all the features work. So hope that works for you. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you on the next video.